What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be mixing Tropical Punch Prime and Green Cane's Lemonade. So first we're gonna get the Prime ASMR. Can't open it. Alright, gotta pour it in. Not as red as I expected. Time for the green. Sorry for the background noise. It's my little sister. She wanted to turn off my YouTube shorts. Let's see what color it makes. What do you guys think the color will be? No. I think it'll be greenish brown.
Well, let's find out.
Oh my gosh, it looked cool at the front. What the heck?
What is it though? It's
I don't
like the
know.
green is like
It's
sinking
like-
to the bottom.
Yeah. I mean, it looks kind of cool. Alright, let's try it. Let's try. I think the Prime is definitely taking over. My friend's gonna try it now.
Tastes kind of like lemonade.
Well, that's the video.